Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Instagram API key. All right, let's begin. First, open an internet browser and go to developers.facebook.com. Make sure you are signed in to your Facebook account. Once signed in, click on My Apps in the top right corner, then select Create App. Enter a unique name for your app, add a contact email, and press Next. Select Other from the list of options, then choose Business and click Next. Review your app details and click Create App. Re-enter your Facebook password if prompted. Next, go to App Roles on the left menu and click on Add People. Select Instagram Tester, then search for your Facebook profile and press Add. Open Instagram in another tab, go to Settings, scroll to Apps and Websites, find Tester Invites and accept the request. Return to the Meta tab, click the drop-down next to Instagram, and select API Setup with Instagram Login. Make sure your Instagram account is linked, then click Generate Access Token. Sign in and grant permissions if required. Your API key will now appear. So that's basically how you can get Instagram API key. That's it for this video. Thanks.